How to download and install One UI 8 Beta on Samsung Galaxy. To install the One UI 8 Beta, you'll need to have the Samsung Members app downloaded and signed into your Samsung account. On most Galaxy devices, this should be pre-installed in your Samsung folder. Once you found it, follow this step. Step 1. Open the Samsung Members app on your Galaxy. It's either S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra, or another eligible device. Step 2. Scroll down until you see the Beta Program tab and tap it. Step 3. Press One UI 8 S25 Beta to continue. Step 4. Tap Join to enter One UI 8 Beta program. Note that the one current beta program only supports T-Mobile and unlocked devices. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompt to install the One UI 8 Beta for your device. Now, the One UI 8 Beta is installing in your device. It might take a few restarts before your Galaxy S25 is updated to One UI 8. Once completed, you'll be running One UI 8 Beta, which includes new AI features, smoother animations, upgraded privacy tools, and an improved Material You theme experience. And that's it!